Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite products, and this is one product that I always recommend for everybody to definitely use at least 2 to 3 times a week. So exfoliation is something that everybody has to do on a regular basis, and there are a lot of exfoliating products that are available in the market. Some of them could be abrasive, some of them could be enzyme based, some of them could be chemical based, but you need something that is very gentle on the skin yet exfoliates, removes dead cells, pollutants, and everything that is there on your skin very effectively. So here comes the best product that I know. It is the liquid peel. So liquid peels are of three kinds in Body Shop, and you can ask me why there are three, because all the three have different purposes to benefit, and they actually help in treating different issues, right? So the most widely used and popular one is the vitamin C liquid peel, because this addresses the most common issues of everybody, which is a dull and grumpy looking skin. So this is called as glow revealing liquid peel for the same reason, because it reveals the glow which is there underneath your dead cells that is there on the skin. So this is amazing, and it has camo berry extract, which has about 60 times more vitamin C than regular oranges or lime. And the second liquid peel is the drops of youth liquid peel. If you're already using a skin routine that has drops of youth serum, sleeping mask, youth cream, or face wash, this is the liquid peel that you need to use, because this is responsible for bringing out a youthful, refreshed, and more hydrated skin. So if you want your skin to look supple and more refreshed, extremely moisturized and hydrated, this is the one to go to. And it also has 3 plant stem cells, and each plant stem cell has its own beneficial properties, and it absolutely gives you the refreshed look that you need. If your skin issue is brightening, you want an instant brightening and luminescence added to your skin, the pure resurfacing liquid peel is the one that you need to go to. And this is from the drops of light range. This is amazing, and it gives you instant brightening after just one use, and that's how amazing this liquid peel is. It had been in out of stock for some time, and now it's back. If you haven't gotten any of these bad boys yet, please go ahead and get them, and you'll probably thank me for recommending this, because this is something that you should, if you're using any Body Shop products, this is something that you should not be missing out, and you should definitely have it in your cupboard. So why this is so much better is because this has a transforming gel to peel technology. So it gently removes and the impurities and the dead cells that are there on the skin. It traps them and gently peels them away. So the pH of this liquid peel is such that it slowly removes the or releases these cells that are dead cells that are there on the skin. And it is so gentle that at least this liquid peel, some of them tell me that you can even use it on a daily basis, but I would recommend you can use it just 2 to 3 times a week, and you will instantly see a difference. That's how amazing these products are. So I'm going to show you how well it works, because this is one product that shows you instant results, and it is a multi-purpose product. This can be used on your face, it can be used on your elbows, it can be used on your knees, and also it can be used on your feet, where if you have dry feet, there are some cracks, you have some dead cells build up, you just take 2 pumps of it and nicely massage into that place when you can see the dead cells coming off. Wipe it off, just apply a peppermint solution, a cooling solution, and you're good to go. Your feet will look and feel amazing. So this is a multi-purpose peel that if you don't have anybody, if you don't have it, if there is something that you're wondering what to order, believe me, this is a product you need to have. So I want to have a little pampering with a brightening regime. So what I will do is I will try the pure resurfacing liquid peel. So you just need to take 2 pumps. So and put it on your face. Right, so it's there already on the face, and I'll start to massage it, and you'll start to see dead cells coming off. Right, there are so many dead cells. Honestly, this week I haven't exfoliated very well, so of course there is a lot of dead cells. You can see it, right? I'm just going to take one more pump. So the pH helps the skin to release the dead cells very gently, so it doesn't contain any enzymes or abrasive agents, because some of the scrubs like the walnut scrub, they do have sharp walnut particles that might be abrasive to your skin, so it might not suit all skin types. But these three suit all different skin types, and they are very gentle on the skin, and they instantly give you a brightened look. So I have actually removed all the dead cells that are there, and I'm just going to use a flannel and wipe it off. You can see that the skin has instantly brightened up, because what it does is, when it removes a layer of the dead cells which is there on the skin, underneath is your radiant, youthful and glowing skin. So it instantly brings that out, and you will start to feel more glowing, youthful, refreshed, and of course luminous. Drops of light liquid peel has been shown to demonstrate that it becomes luminous immediately after one use, and I'm extremely happy with how the liquid peel has removed all the cells. It's not only visually, but you can also feel it. The skin becomes extremely soft and supple and very smooth to feel, so you'll know the difference. The way I demonstrate to my customers is when I apply it on this part of their hand and compare it with this, you will see that the veins on this hand where the liquid peel has been applied and the dead cells have been removed becomes really visible and soft. When compared to this, it'll be a slightly a tougher skin that you will be able to feel when compared to this. So this is an amazing product, and do go and get this product before they run out of stock, because honestly in the last 1 month these two have been out of stock, as they are best sellers, and one of the most immediate result giving products these are. So go ahead and get your liquid peels, and you can always follow this scrubbing with an amazing mask, which I am going to do. I am going to apply my favorite charcoal mask on this, and I'll see you again, guys. Please do drop me a message if you are interested to understand which liquid peel suits your skin, and I can help you out with that. So until I see you again, guys, goodbye, take care, and see you soon. Please like my channel Cheers to Life, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell to keep yourself updated with all the upcoming videos on this channel. See you soon. Goodbye.